y'all, this is how we Jack from Ask Communication. Here I'm again with another video. This is one very simple basic tutorial how you can inject SIM to your brand new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra or any other version of Samsung phone. The last video I have done one unboxing, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can put the chip inside, how you can take that from one phone and you put in another phone. This is Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra and this is Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, from one Ultra to another Ultra. In the box of your phone, surely you will get this one pin to take out SIM. You have to take this out. So I'm gonna take out the chip from another phone. Before taking out, you have to shut down the phone that you are taking out. This is done. Now from here, check where you have the tray. You should have one small hole. You have to push a gentle pressure as this. After putting a gentle pressure, you can take out the SIM. Here we go. See here, this has double tray, so I have one memory card, also SIM. So I take out the SIM, memory card I don't need, I put one side. Here I have, and now in the new phone, the new version of Ultra has the SIM tray at the bottom. I inject this one here at the same place. You can see small push, so I can show you. Here we go, little bit more, so it's coming out. Brilliant. I take this out from here. It has only one place for one SIM. It doesn't have memory card slot. It already has 264 GB of memory inside. So I'm gonna put this inside. You should have one notch this side angle to find the angle exactly, and as this, perfect, it sits exactly. So now I'm gonna put this back inside the phone same way. You see, here we go. I put inside a pressure inside, a little bit more, plain, perfect. Now I'm gonna hit the phone to see if I get the network or not. I hit cancel button. Here you see the antenna line. In this phone I didn't do any setup still, but you can see the antenna line and H plus is showing at the top. That means the SIM is detected. You can see antenna and H plus at the top. Okay guys, so this is how you can inject a SIM to your brand new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra cellular phone. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care till then. Bye.